So one of the things that people really do not like to hear about is the prospect of having to go through probate once a loved one has passed away. And, I've heard often enough people are like, oh, I need to avoid probate like the plague. I just don't want to have to deal with that. Well, did you know that in some cases, probate may not be necessary? So many states, including the state of Colorado, has what's known as a small estate affidavit. And what this will allow you to do is if the assets are under a certain amount and if there's no real estate that's owned, so it does have to meet certain qualifications, then you can use that affidavit and take it to whoever's holding the asset. And that is in lieu of having to go through the probate court. So, just as an example, let's say the individual died and they had maybe $4,000 in an account at Acme Bank. So you take that small estate affidavit, complete it, take it to the bank, and then that document is in lieu of going through the probate court. That document, that affidavit, gives you the ability to collect any funds that that bank may be holding in the name of the deceased. Now, I know on its face it sounds pretty clear cut and easy. There are limits to when you can do that. Let's in 2023 in Colorado, it was $80,000. So if there was less than that amount, then you could use that affidavit. But sometimes things are easier than what they appear to be. And there have been many a situation where there are times where people will take that affidavit, take it to Acme Bank, and the bank will say, so sorry, we don't know what this is, or we don't know how to deal with it. I always just encourage people to speak with someone or to ask to speak to someone in the legal department or to have it escalated there, because by law, the bank or whoever's holding that money should receive that affidavit as long as the other, as long as, the affidavit is correctly completed. So just know that there are other options to probate, and a small estate affidavit is one of those options. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me at Law Office of Michelle Adams, which is ColoradoFamilyLegacy.com. Until the next time, thank you.